This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network. Stronger demand for primary metals, machinery, and electronics pushed orders for U.S.-made durable goods up 0.8% in June. Orders rose 2%. That's the sharpest gain since last December, and it was the largest increase in total orders since February. The Consumer Sentiment Index from the University of Michigan hit 61.2 in July. That is up from an earlier reading of 56.6, compared with 56.4 in June. Economists expected a July reading of 56 even. U.S. home sales fell 0.6% in June. The decline in new home sales to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 530,000 units was well above the pace expected by economists. Median sales prices, by the way, have fallen 2% in the past year. As foreclosures continue to climb across the nation, 220,000 homes were lost to bank repossessions in the second quarter. That's nearly triple the number from the same period last year. Almost 740,000 foreclosure filings were recorded during the quarter, which is up 14% from the first quarter and 120% from the same period last year. This news was released as Congress works to pass a housing rescue bill that will make FHA-insured loans available to many at-risk borrowers. The measure, which is expected to be passed, would take effect on October 1st. And an ExxonMobil Corporation subsidiary of BHP Billiton announced plans to spend $1.25 billion to tap oil and gas reserves off the southern coast of Australia. Scheduled economic reports next week. It's going to be a busy week. Case-Shiller home prices, consumer confidence, the ADP employment index, the GDP, employment cost index, Chicago Purchasing Managers Index, ISM manufacturing, construction spending, motor vehicle sales, and then the big one on Friday, non-farm payrolls. Earnings today. Honda Motors earned 179.6 billion yen. That's equivalent to 1.68 billion US dollars in the quarter. Analysts were expecting 1.2 billion. Netflix says net income rose to 26.6 million or 42 cents a share. Analysts predicted a profit of 40 cents. Wynn Resorts reporting earnings for the quarter jumping to $272 million or 242 a share. Analysts predicted earnings of just 93 cents. And Arch Coal announced net income of $113 million or 78 cents a share versus the consensus estimate of 64 cents. Lots of marquee names on the earnings calendar next week as well. Sony leads the list, Colgate-Palmolive, Tyson Foods, ExxonMobil, BP plc, Martha Stewart Living Omni-Media, Airtran Holdings, BE Aerospace, Northrop Grumman, Starbucks, Brinks, International Paper, a whole array of big companies reporting earnings. Fortune Brands in the stocks in the news today, saying revenue slipped 8.6% to $2.1 billion from $2.3 billion, citing continued weakness in the housing market. BMC Software fiscal first quarter earnings fell to $1.2 million or a penny a share. Lehman Brothers executives are reportedly considering the sale of all or part of Neuberger Berman, the brokerage's asset management arm. And Republic Services second quarter net income fell to $62.3 million or 34 cents a share. And that is the Market Wrap on a Friday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.